So this has been our home for the last 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. It's the office. You know what I'm saying? Main bedroom, bathroom vibes. You know what I'm saying? This is the master suite. You know what I'm saying? The main suite in the joint. Bathroom, you know, relax. See, comfy vibes. This is the view from the front of the yacht. You know what I'm saying? Jacuzzi and all that, heliport. You know, super relaxed, man. And then down here, there's a tub and all them kind of vibes. You know, so that gives you a little vibe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so this is what it is. Alright, we're just here. Right now, from here, you go this way. This is where we kind of relax. It's a little study area. You know what I'm saying? Watching golf. You know, survive. It's already looked like you was in a horror movie or something. Gotcha. That's Helena, part of the staff. She runs the staff. So this is another part of the area. Another floor of yacht, right? And this is like more the formal living room area. This is like the formal dining room. You know what I'm saying? It's really been super relaxed. Been an amazing couple of weeks, 2.5 weeks, whatever it's been. We go outside. This is outside, another area. What up, baby? Little vibe. You know what I'm saying? Vibe. So, yeah, so you get the vibes. And there's more floors, there's a theater. Oh, you know what? Before I I'm gonna show you where I was working out at. Oh, that's the view outside, by the way. Let me show y'all the gym. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all the gym. Little gym and sauna and all that. You know, when you really want to relax. You know, I was eating like an animal, but I was also working out like a savage. So I split the difference, I think. Had a good time. And here, this is a whole nother area, right? So this is like massage area, you know, massages and all that. The ladies want to get their hair done, nails and all that. It's like the spa area. It's the sauna, right? Steam over here. It's the steam. Ooh, yeah. Glass is fogged up on this one. And then so, you know, over here, this is the gym. Right? The gym. You know what I'm saying? And with the gym, it's cool. Because from here, we go. Got the little pool out here. You know what I'm saying? It's a little splash around. We're in the old city of Corfu, Greece. You know what I'm saying? That's the old fort over there. The water. And so this is the vibe. You know what I'm saying? And then one last little part I'll take y'all, show y'all something else. This is like another upper deck area. Hang out. If you want to get an outdoor massage, you can do that. You got the bar. It's a little chill area, you know what I'm saying? And then you go out here. This is like kind of like the upper deck, you know, area. As you can see the surrounding area. It's a beautiful part of the country. You know, everybody should try to come out here and visit, even if you just come. You know, they got little hotels here. You can stay in a little hotel. It's worth checking out. You know what I'm saying? That's where the chopper lands, down there on the helipad. And this is it. So, you know, this has been home. If I missed anything, you know, blame it on the head, not the heart. Hope you all enjoyed seeing the vacation. Hope you're inspired. Hope your family's inspired. Love y'all, man. Peace. Oh, and shout it out to my man Magic Johnson, my big bro, for making all this possible, and introducing your man to something beautiful. You know what I'm saying? We had an unbelievable time, and yeah, it was great. Oh, also, you know, I hit the treadmill when I'm up here in this area. Hit the treadmill outside. Hit that a few times. That was good too. You know, it's like outdoor deck, treadmill. That's the vibe. All right. I love y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. The name of the boat is the Solange, by the way. The Solange. And it's ironic Tina's on here. Yeah, there's a D in it, but that's the name of the boat is the Solange. All right? Love y'all. Peace.
That must be falling because they got stuff to keep it from falling all the way down. Well,
That is really amazing.
Look at that in the water though. We're not getting that, right?